In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove your Instagram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, tap at these three lines and select Settings and Privacy. After that, at the very top, tap at that search box and then just search for DEL. That will show you deactivation and deletion option. You can just tap on it and that will move you to Account Center. And first off, to start the process, select what you would like to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete. It will show you all of your Instagram and Facebook profiles. I'm just gonna select that one, and then it will ask you if you want to deactivate or delete your account. As I said before, deactivating your account is temporarily, and it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging in to your Instagram account. However, deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. If you just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. If you want to delete your account, select Delete and then hit Add Continue. On that step, select any reason from that list, just like that, and hit Add Continue. Then hit Add Continue again. And on the next step, it says that if you confirm permanent account deletion, you'll have the option to cancel the deletion process by logging into your account within 30 days. And if you haven't created a password for your account, you can do it at that step. Just hit Add Continue, and that will send you confirmation code on your phone number. All you have to do now is just put in confirmation code in that text field, and once you've done with that, hit Add Continue, and then you will be able to create a new password for that Instagram profile. As I said before, it will prompt you to create a new password if you haven't created it before. Then just come up with new password and hit Add Continue. And now it says that if you continue with account deletion, your profile and account details will be deleted in 30 days. You wouldn't be visible on Instagram between now and then, and you can cancel the permanent deletion process at any time before the process starts through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. If you want to delete your account, just hit Add Delete Account button. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.